Hi everyone, my name is Henrik Engman. I call myself the Swedish Viking in Arizona. I am from Sweden, so my English is not absolutely perfect, but I hope you can understand me. Uh, One of my passions is working with sheet metal, and I'm trying to get back to that a lot now. I have been away from it doing construction works for a while, but I made a bunch of videos on Facebook, and I just started this channel on YouTube also. And I'm gonna make a lot of videos about how to shape sheet metal and what's happening in the sheet metal while you're doing it. So I'm gonna try to explain that too. Right now, I'm gonna switch around my camera a little bit. Right now, I'm trying to set up my little workstation here so I can have most of my machines stand where they are without have to move everything around every time I'm gonna make a video. Now I'm made so I can put my camera and I can zoom in on my tools while I'm working and trying to show what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Today I was just gonna show you very quickly here. I have made a little piece, just angled 20 gauge steel, and I'm gonna show you about the kick shrinker and stretcher. This is one of the tools I use a lot. It's one of my favorites. As you see here, if I move my pedal down here, you see those jaws, they go down, they go together, they grab the metal, then I press further and the gaps goes together. That's what makes the shrinking. If I have the metal in here and that gaps close, let's see, there, and my gap closes, I push the edge here together, so that will shrink that piece of metal. Then I have the yellow head here, and that's a stretching, so the jaws just go the other way. But I'm going to show you a little bit here. I just have a simple angled piece of metal, and I'm going to push my pedal down several times here, and we have shrunk the edge and made it bent. This machine is very useful, and you can use it together with the English wheel and everything and make a lot. But let's see now. If I take the same piece here, I put it in the stretcher. Stretching is much easier than shrinking. But now you see it's straight again, and I can continue. So we get it actually bent the other way. As you see, this machine is, yeah, there are of course different qualities, but you can get them from $150, $200 and up. There are better machines than this one, yes, but this one works really good, I think, for the price, and it's one of the tools I use most. That one, if you check on my other videos on this channel, I use it, the English wheel and the kick shrinker in conjunction, and you can do a lot of things. This hat, pretty much only made with English wheel and the kick shrinker. It's 1.5 millimeter aluminum. So yes, you can do a lot of things with fairly simple tools. I don't know, some of you maybe don't call the English wheel simple, but yeah, it's still a simple machine. But it takes some practice to work with. But yes, with those tools you can do a lot. And I am going to be back with a lot more videos trying to show what's happening in the metal and how you use the machines. So please subscribe to this channel, and I will see you again. Goodbye.